Here's how to put an image and text side by side in Microsoft Word. If your image keeps stacking above or below your text, this will fix it. Place the cursor where you want to insert the image. Click the Insert tab, select Pictures. Choose this device, select your image, and click Insert. Once the image is added, click the Layout Options icon in the top right of the image. By default, the image is set to In Line with Text, so it stacks instead of sitting beside your text. Under With Text Wrapping, choose Square. Drag the image to the left or right of the paragraph. Your text wraps around the image, placing them side by side. This works in most cases. But if your layout shifts while editing, use a table to keep everything fixed. Cells hold the layout steady. Click the Insert tab, select Table, insert a table with one row and two columns. Click the left cell, then select Pictures and choose your image. Click the right cell and type or paste your text. Drag the border between cells to balance the widths. Select the whole table, open the Table Design tab, click Borders, and choose No Border. The borders disappear, and your layout stays fixed while editing. That's it. Your image and text now stay aligned side by side. Like this video, and subscribe for more quick and useful tutorials.